Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and you gotta check out this gorgeous crossbody bag by Befen. Crossbody bags are so on trend right now, and what I love about this one in particular is how much it can hold. This bag has 3 compartments to it, all zippered. You can hold a lot in here. There's 3 card slots as well as a discreet zippered pocket in the back. My iPhone 14 fits perfectly in the front pouch without any issue at all. I love the cute guitar strap that it comes with, which is adjustable. And keep in mind that this bag is genuine leather, so you're really going to get great quality with this. I really love the nude pink color. I think it's perfect for spring and summer and just goes with everything I wear. So if you're looking for a good quality crossbody bag that's gonna go with everything you wear as well as hold everything that you need, I would definitely check out this one. I don't think you'll be disappointed. And that's my point of view.